Alright guys, so the next thing that we're going to do is personalize our account by editing our avatar. So, as you can see here, and I'll go back, but as you can see, it gives you a random avatar when you first make an account. So you can change this and customize it to kind of look like you if you want. So I'm just going to click up here where it says my name, and then I'll click Edit Avatar. So this is the random avatar that I was talking about. So now you can change your avatar and kind of change some of the stuff, some of its features. And so what's cool is that as I'm talking, the avatar is also moving its mouth, and if I turn my head, it also turns its head. So that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna click face. We'll start off with face, and I'll change it to something. And it also changes it as you make those changes. So we'll keep it like this. Eyes. We can also change skin color as well. Changing eye color, and well, all of the eye features we're changing the color of those. So we'll change the eye color to maybe brown. Eyelash color black, and I'll keep eyebrow color black as well. Alright, so let's do lips. I think I'll keep lips as is. I don't think I really want to change it. Hair. There's a bunch of different hairstyles we can pick from. You can also change the color as well. I don't know. Well, first we want black. We also have some hats as well. Like a pirate hat if you want. I think I'll just stick to a hair color, or rather hair. And there you go. Now we have our avatar. That's how you make an avatar.